Okay, here we have a tutorial on the Windows 10 on how to add the language bar here. So this is Windows 10 build 17.76.3. Windows 10 is constantly updating, so things might not be the same in all versions. So to add another language, go to the Start button and click then the Settings wheel. Okay, type in here lang from language, and go to the first one, edit language and keyboard options. Okay, click on the add language button. Okay, and type in here the language that you want. Let's say Hungarian. Select that language and click next. Okay, now it has some other options also. I will uncheck those and just click install. Okay, now since we have two languages installed, the language bar just showed up. You can click on it and you can select another language from there. Okay, but let's customize this one. So if I click on it, I have this options button, so click on it. Okay, and here we can see that after the letter T, this one has Z. I don't want that one, so I just want to add another one. Add a keyboard, and this one has, after T it has a Y, just as it is on my keyboard. So click on that one. It was added. Now select the old one and remove it. Okay, let's go back, and here we have the two languages. Okay, now let's add the next language in a different way. Close that window. After you click on the language bar, you have language preferences here. Okay, click on language preferences, and we just got back to the same place. So add the language, type in the next one, let's say Romanian, click on it and next. I don't want any handwriting and speech and other things, so just install. Okay, so here we have the two languages. If you want to set another one as default, then just move it to the top. Okay, and now that one is the default language. Okay, let's set the English back, and that's it. You can switch between these languages using the Alt and Shift key, the left Alt and left Shift. And now it's on Romanian, Alt Shift again, and now it's on Hungarian. Okay, you can use the Windows key and the space bar also. So Windows and space, it shows a language bar, another one here, and disappears. So Windows and space. If you hold down the Windows key, then it's showing constantly. So Windows and space, I'm holding down the Windows key and just pressing space. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.